Hey, what's up everyone? So I'm filming on my brand new Canon EOS R6, which I'm very excited about, and we're going to be testing out the slow motion features of this thing. We're going to be checking out the 4K 60 frames per second, the 1080p 60 frames per second, and also the 1080p 720 frames per second, and going to be comparing them with each other. Now this isn't going to be no super detailed video. I'm just going to show you guys, this is my initial footage with me, like the first few days I've had the camera. I just did some filming of my son in his trampoline and on his scooter and stuff like that. We're going to be checking out that footage. I'm also going to be throwing in an additional bonus footage clip of a different camera, slow motion, so we can compare it to that. And I'm not going to tell you guys what that one is until the end, so make sure you watch and put below in the comments how you guys thought this footage compared to each other, and also what that bonus footage looked like compared to the Canon EOS R6. So if this is a camera or something that you're going to want to learn more about, make sure you guys hit that like button and that subscribe. Also click on that bell so you get notified of any future videos, because in the next few months I'm going to be making some more videos on this thing and some of the settings that work best for me. Now I'm just an amateur photographer and a small content creator, but I do feel that I'm a little bit above average, and that's one of the reasons why I purchased this camera, because I'm more of a hybrid shooter both in photography and video. So this was a very significant purchase for me, and I just wanted to put this content out there for other people that are like me, that are considering purchasing this camera. So let's go ahead and get into it, and like I said, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified of any future videos like this, and I'll put everything in a playlist so you guys can follow along with me on my experience with this camera. Alright, now one thing I wanted to mention, guys, is most of these clips that I filmed in slow motion was just on a standard picture profile, like the first week I had the camera, just trying it out. This is not C-Log footage. We will be testing out C-Log in the future though, and also going to be testing out if my iPad Pro 10.5 can handle the C-Log footage and me be able to play and edit it good, because as you guys know from some of my other videos, all of my videos are edited with an iPad Pro and LumaFusion. So if that's something you're interested in knowing more about, stick around. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so let me know what you thought about that slow motion. Now the bonus footage A was actually an older iPhone SE, and I think it was 720p, 120 frames per second, and the bonus footage B was my current iPhone 8 at 1080p, 120 frames per second. So let me know what you guys thought from that footage compared to the footage of this Canon EOS R. And if you guys are interested in learning more about this camera or my tips and tricks with it over the next few months in my experience, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified of my next future videos. Thanks for watching guys, see you around.